Good morning and happy Sunday. Welcome back to another video, you guys, or welcome if you guys are new to the channel. My name is Matthew. I have not posted in a while. I was out really sick last week. I know a lot of people got this weird bug. So hopefully you guys are staying healthy. Hopefully you guys are staying safe with these fires going on in LA and San Diego. I did not start early today, but I just picked up an absolute amazing batch for my first one of the day. This is an 11 item 97. I believe I've had this customer before. Hopefully they have everything on the list. We are getting some rain today, so that is going to be good for all these fires that are going on lately. Hopefully it actually rains pretty good today. Sometimes when it rains, it can be very good for Instacart, but also for some reason it can be really bad for Instacart when it rains. I'm not exactly sure what today's gonna bring. It is Sunday. I feel like it's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna jump up, grab a cart, and go knock these 11 items out, you guys. Welcome to another video. Alright, we just dropped that one off. What was actually funny, I ran into a really good friend of mine. I had no idea he was also doing an order for this dude. Probably should have filmed, like, saying what's up to him. I don't know, in the moment, I'm just like, I get out of the car, I'm like, yo, what's up, bro? That was cool. He was also doing a good batch as well. Feels busy, like I told you guys earlier. And I know two of my other friends have gotten some solid orders today as well. So we're feeling the energy. It feels like it's gonna be a great day. Still a little bit cloudy, no rain right now. But if it starts raining, we'll see if it picks up. So right now, I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna get back to the freeway, back to the coast. Hopefully it stays busy, you guys. Hopefully you guys are crushing it. Sending you guys lots of good energy, banger energy. So I'm gonna head back towards some stores and I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next batch. All right, I picked up a 59, well, it's like a 60. It's like $59.99. It is a double. I'm gonna grab a box, put customer A in this, and the rest is for customer B, 30 items. Should be an easy shop. I believe I've had customer B before. So I'm gonna head in Sprouts and we're gonna get this guy going. This is a great start to the day, guys. All right, we just dropped off customer B. Had to scan her ID for some alcohol. That put me just over 160 on the day. It's a little bit after 12:30. So my game plan, I'm probably gonna head back, maybe pick up an energy drink and look for the next batch, you guys. Still hearing it's super busy today, lots of volume. Obviously with volume, there's gonna be a lot of trash. So we're gonna try to sift out the good orders today. The sun's starting to come out a little bit. I guess the forecast was incorrect. Maybe it's gonna rain later today. But right now, I'm gonna head over to another store and look for our next batch. So I'll let you guys know when I pick that up. All right, we just picked up a $90 order. It is a triple though. One guy has majority of the items. Should be an easy shot. I'm gonna grab a cart. Not sure how much I'm gonna film just because it is a triple order and these are not my favorite. But 90, absolutely can't say no to this batch. So I'm gonna grab a cart and get this going. All right, we just loaded that up. That was fun. I am, I believe, 5 minutes away from customer A, which is only one bag I have in the front seat. Customer B has 2 bags and a gallon of milk. I put her in one of my boxes in the back. And then customer C has like, I don't know, 8 bags and 3 cases of soda. Not sure if any of these are apartments, I didn't check, but I think customer A is a house. So we're getting out of this busy parking lot, off to customer A. Okay, so we dropped that order off. It was a good split. They all tipped something. The last customer who ordered the most of the items tipped the majority, obviously. It went up to 97, and that put me at 258 on the day. It is 2:15 right now. I just plugged into a supercharger. Gonna catch a few miles here and then go back to the stores. Not by a bunch of stores. I guess there's a Vaughn's like not that far from here. And then I'm like 2 or 3 miles from a Ralph's. So hopefully I don't have to sit here and charge for too long. I would love to get a batch while sitting here charging. But if I don't, I'm probably gonna give it about 15 minutes before getting back out in the field. Trying to keep this momentum going today, you guys. It's been great so far, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up another one. All right, you guys, picked up a nice 54 single Ralph's order. I've had this guy a bunch of times. This one gets me over 300. Should be able to run through it and get back here by 4 o'clock or before. It's not that many items, so I'm gonna blast through this. Had a little wait, had to charge the car for a little bit, so I'm gonna grab a cart, head in, and run through this batch. All right, we're making our way out of this gated complex. I think in past videos I talked about how I've lost batches in there because my service isn't good. But that one put me at 314 on the day. It is 3:45. Gonna make my way back. This is good because I should be back to the stores before 4 o'clock. And like I've talked about in a lot of videos, batches drop on the hour sometimes, 4 o'clock, 4:02. So it's good to stay ready during those time periods. Obviously you wanna stay ready all the time, but especially those times, 4 o'clock, 4:30, you know, you wanna focus up for like 3-4 minutes just because stuff drops on the hour. People place orders, they'll set times when they want it to be delivered. So I'm super pumped. I'm over 300 before 4 o'clock, and hopefully it's not long before I pick up another batch. I really hope whatever day you guys are watching this video, you're getting blessed with some great orders. So I'm gonna try to keep this energy going, get back to some stores, and hopefully pick up another one soon. All right, you guys, we are back at Sprouts, picked up a 49 double. One of the customers I'm for sure I've had before is customer B. We got some deli items. I got 3 total. I got 2 for the first customer and I have 1 for the second customer. I'm gonna handle the deli stuff first, put that order in so I can get the rest of the items. Should be a quick shop, and it's 4:08, so I should have this drop before 5 o'clock. Gonna do my best to get to another store. So I'm gonna head in and do my best to be efficient on this order. All right, you guys, we picked up a $40 double, 1.5 miles, super easy. First drop off is a not very fun apartment to deliver to, but it's a good batch and it's gonna be quick. Gonna grab a cart and run through these 20 items. All right, that one put us at 4:09 on the day. It is almost 6:15. So that was an easy batch, very nice. The first lady was really happy I remembered to get ginger because she got sushi and some other stuff. So we're still on pace for 500 right now. Volume seems good, so I'm gonna get back on the clock, take a look at what they're offering me. I think it'll come in soon, and I'll let you guys know as soon as it does. All right, quick update. I just ran this 55. I missed the screenshot. It was a repeat customer. This put me at 465, I think, and it's almost 8:30 right now. So plenty of time for 5. Hopefully something good comes in soon. I'll let you guys know when it comes in. All right, waited a little bit too long. I saw a couple very bad orders, but I picked up this order. It's 15 bucks. It's gonna put me at 480. It is boosted. It is a Sprouts order, and they close in 30 minutes. So I'm gonna run through this, hopefully get it dropped off in about 20. All right, you guys, made it back home. Didn't film the last 2 orders I did. They were just quick little ones to get over 5. I am home later than I wanted to be, but I really wanted 500 today. So I picked up a frozen pizza on the elevator, heading up. I'm gonna throw the numbers on the screen for you guys. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you guys for tuning in, watching this video. I'm sorry I wasn't able to get a video out sooner, but the next one is going to be out a lot quicker. So stay positive, keep pushing hard, focus on that number at the end of the day because it's always the most important. Thanks you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.